Hi, welcome to Daily Motivation. Here, the daily quote is you can't stroll to your goal. Stroll means walk in a leisure way, means lazy way. You can't stroll to your goal. You can't walk in a lazy way to your goal. Why? Because that's it is our world, and world is very less resource in contrast to our population is very vast, growing population, very it's growing exponentially, but our resource is not increasing. So our resource is very low, so we can't consume unlimited to each and every population. So here the game, the scientist said that fittest of the survival of the fittest. What is that means? The person, the species, anything, any living thing which is fittest in our world can survive. Others all will die. It happens in case of frog, fish, and who are laying eggs, and many larvae there, but who is fittest will survive and other dies. So it is, thankfully it is not in the case of human being. But let's consider America, most rich country and most powerful country. Still they have very poorer people. They are starving and they died due to insufficient of food. So why? There were so many billionaire, so many Google, Tesla, SpaceX, Amazon, so many billionaire was there, but still people died because of this difference. So our quote is you can't stroll to your goal. So let's, you are doing a job, clerical job, typing and some data entry. Definitely in next 15 to 10 years you will lose your job. Why? Because it is replaced by a robot or an artificial intelligence. So what you will do? You have to prepare for skills. Skill is very important in this nowadays. Skill is very important. Skill like coding, like anything, making software and artificial intelligence, machine learning, all are trending. Why? Because we are growing. Growth is life. So without growth there is dead. If you are not growing, you are dead. So again, let's taking example. A smooth sea never made a skillful sailor. So what is this? Because if you are sailing the ship in smooth sea or in pond, the water is still. Yes, you may go, but when it comes strong, that you can't drive it. Your ship obviously sink. So here the game. If you have to be prepared for the future that is harsh. Look, there are, if you are choosing your goal, here one is your passion, here one is your another thing which come with less effort, but you know your passion. Let's say you are a sportsman and you are playing like hockey, cricket, anything. So here the Olympic, in Olympic you have to practice so hard, so rigorously, so that you have, if let's say taking Olympic, you have to win or lose, that different thing, but you have to, you have to be come into the Olympic, you have to be play with many people before the Olympic, you have to win in interstate, inter-country, the country which selected, obviously not all country will select, you have to play before the Olympic all the countries, so you have to be work very hard. Let's, it is sports. Let's taking another example like software engineer. So you have to know all the stuff about it. It's not about reading BTech 4 year. No, you have to read, that's another thing, but you have to acquire skill like many thing coming here. Python have many such vast, you have to learn animation, you have to learn C, Java plus, anything that require. So you have to move one step forward from the people which you are now in with you. Let's, in BTech, when placement came, the company will not hire each and every person, so you have to move step forward from all the people, all the student. So you have to acquire skill, you have to acquire English knowledge, you have to acquire spoken English and many extra stuff that you have to be, so that other won't. So you have to work hard. My quote is, again I am saying, you can stroll to your goal, then you have to work hard, work. But here I am telling only work hard, but you have to be passionate about you, the thing, the goal you have chosen, it must be passionate. So work hard. Hard working is the factor, not the main thing. You have to be enjoy. If you haven't watched my previous video, that I have told you that do what you love to do, so most you should watch it before this, so you understand this thing, and subscribe to my channel for more motivational quotes I am uploading. Thank you for listening.